Eosinophil cells, you can see from your handout again. Go to the top of the first page of your hormone handout. It says anterior pituitary, adenohypophysis, underneath anterior pituitary. All right, the major hormones produced, there are two major ones produced by eosinophil cells. One's right at the top of the page, growth hormone from the eosinophil cells. As it suggests, growth hormone has to do with growth, but indirectly. It stimulates what are called insulin-like growth factors, IGFs. And this one actually directly stimulates, okay, growth, body cell growth, protein synthesis, tissue repair. And these insulin-like growth factors are released by various tissues of the body, and you can see I've listed them there. Muscle, for example, liver, bone, and so on, under the influence of growth hormone. So growth hormone acts indirectly to stimulate growth. This, of course, is very important during childhood and development. Too little, and the person ends up very short. Too much, very tall. So overproduction during childhood can result in gigantism, underproduction, vision. That's why sometimes if parents are concerned their child isn't growing right, can we do something like that to make them taller so they can make the basketball team, they become a pro basketball player, it's of course in old age. Okay. But anyway, sometimes they get it. Okay. After growth in length has stopped, overproduction of growth hormone brings about a condition known as acromegaly. In this case, you don't get any bigger body-wise, but certain bones enlarge, particularly facial bones. The mandible becomes very large. You get very pronounced brow ridges on the frontal lobe, which makes up your forehead. And also the bones of hands and feet enlarge. So the person looks quite a bit different, almost gorilla-like. And the hands get very clumsy because they're big, lose a lot of manual dexterity, but also cause enlargement of organs, including the tongue, so it may make speech difficult as well. That's called acromegaly, overproduction of growth hormone after growth in length of C. So this will be during adulthood. Apparently underproduction after growth in bone of C says very little function, little effect on the body. Okay, that's growth hormone. Indirectly stimulates growth and tissue repair by stimulating insulin-like growth factors released by the bone, the muscle, liver cells, and so on. Okay, the other hormone produced by the eosinophil cells, a little farther down the page, is called prolactin. And the name tells you what it does. It promotes lactation. This one actually stimulates milk production by the mammary glands in the breast. Oxytocin stimulates the release, the milk letdown, whereas prolactin stimulates milk production. And again, this is produced by the eosinophil cells. So growth hormone and prolactin produced by these cells. And again, they're the lighter stained cells. Under the microscope, they'll appear more pinkish. Here they kind of are a rose color, almost rose light. Again, it's not the nucleus, it's the cytoplasm we're talking about. Okay, the other major cell types I said are the basophil cells, and they have a darker staining cytoplasm. See some of them in here. Okay, so these cells in here with the darker staining cytoplasm, these are basophil cells. And they produce a variety of hormones, most of which are regulatory hormones. That is, they regulate the production, here more of the basophil cells. Again, it's the cytoplasm we're talking about. They regulate the production of hormones by other endocrine glands. And that's why the pituitary is sometimes called the master gland, or master endocrine gland, because it regulates or stimulates production of hormone released by other endocrine glands. And there are a wealth of them. I'd like to know these. So drop down to the second hormone there on the first page, thyroid stimulating hormone. This is produced by basophil cells in the anterior pituitary. As the name suggests, it stimulates release, okay, of thyroid hormones by the thyroid gland. TSH for short, thyroid stimulating hormone. Another stimulating hormone is called follicle stimulating hormone, FSH for short. We're going to talk a lot about that when we get to the reproductive system. In females, it stimulates the development of follicles in the ovaries. Now, follicles are not the eggs, they're a multicellular structure within which a single egg cell develops.